Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and the lecture series of Android application development. In the last lecture, we completed with how do we create a database in SQLite. So for that, we create a file which is MyDBHelper, and this is a code, right, which is basically used to create a database in SQLite database. And then we have a activity underscore main.xml file, and then main activity.java. So in this we will call the MyDBHelper code. So this is a calling. So before starting with the second video of SQLite, I request you all to see my first video of SQLite. The link for the first video is given in the description box. So I request all of you have to first listen or see the video of the first, and then in this video we will create a table using SQLite database. Okay, now to create a table in SQLite, go to the MyDBHelper class. So in this we have two methods. The first is your onCreate method and the second is your onUpgrade method. So these are the two abstract methods that are defined in SQLite OpenHelper class. So we start with writing the code in onCreate. In onCreate method, we first create a string variable which is your query. So since my query is create table, so I am giving a variable name as table query, and then we start writing a code or a query to create a table. So create table. Now after the table we write a table name. So here plus. Now at the top we define a table name which is your public. After the public, right, we write a static, then string table underscore name. This is my table name, and within double quotes we write a table name as student underscore table. So now this is my table, and this table student table is defined using a variable table name. So I just copy this name and यहाँ पे paste कर दो. Then plus, then within double quotes, right, we start with giving a column to the table. Now I am giving a ID, that is your student ID, which is your integer and primary key, and I am applying one more constraint, which is your auto increment. So this is my first column of the student table, then comma. We start with the second column, which is my student name, and then data type is your text. Then third column surname, and data type again text, and the last one is your marks, and again this is your integer. So this is my query, right, and we close the bracket to create a table. So this is my query. And this query is stored in the variable create table. Now we execute this query using a object SQLite database. Here we have an object. Just copy this object and then execute exec_SQL, and then we defined a query variable. So यहाँ पे हम लोग ने क्या किया है, we just created a query which is your create table query, and then just put a space here. Okay, it is giving an error. Why? Because यहाँ पे हमने space नहीं दिया था. See, just space दे दिया. And then we execute the query using a method exec, that is your execute SQL, and we are passing that query to this SQL exec SQL method. Okay, now on upgrade we write a query or code. This is your DB. This is my SQLite database. Copy this object. Dot again execute SQL. Within double quotes we write drop table if exist. Drop table if exist. तो the name of your variable is table name. तो हम लोग इसको कॉपी करके यहाँ पेस्ट कर देंगे, and then we call on create and just pass this SQLite database object. So it will create a upgraded version of your database. So this is a code which is basically used to create a table. So do remember students, we first create a table variable, and यहाँ पे हम लोग वो टेबल का नाम दे देंगे. तो दिस इज माई स्टूडेंट टेबल, एंड देन in on create method we created a query with create table query and execute the query, and on upgrade if the table is already exist we drop it and we create a new table. So this is a code to create a table in SQLite database. Now moving to the next step. Now go to the activity underscore main, then text. Just drag and drop the text view, and then since we are using a constraint layout we just attach this constraint so that we can place the text view anywhere on the screen. So now this is my text view. Then I am just changing the text of this text view. Just print output here, and then we just increase the size of this text. That is your text appearance display one. This is my output. Okay, and the ID of this text view is your text view 6. Now go to the main activity.java. Right. The first we create a reference of the text view, that is my TV1. Find view by ID r.id.text view 6. Next we create a object of my DB helper, which is my DB helper, equals to new my DB helper, and within bracket we write this. Then SQLite database DB equals to my DB helper dot get writable database, and then we write a text on text view set text table created. Okay, now if there is any runtime error or exception, so we write a code in try and catch block so that we can catch an exception EX and display this exception on TV1 dot display this exception on toast message, and we write here within this double quotes error colon plus EX. So this is a code, right? In this we are just calling MyDB helper code in main activity.java. Okay, now we just execute this code. As we can see here, it is executing the code. Just wait for some time. So you can see here, right, it is displaying a message table created. That means ये जो कोड है वो सक्सेसफुली एग्जीक्यूट हुआ है एंड यहाँ पे टेबल क्रिएटेड डिस्प्ले हो रहा है. सो नाउ टू चेक द टेबल, यानी वो जो टेबल है वो कहाँ पे क्रिएट हुआ है, जस्ट गो फॉर द ऐप इंस्पेक्शन. एज वी कैन सी हियर माई डेटाबेस, राइट, दिस इज आवर डेटाबेस नेम. एज वी कैन सी हियर डेटाबेस नेम जो था हमारा वो माई डेटाबेस है. माई डेटाबेस में राइट वी हैव अ टेबल कॉल्ड एज स्टूडेंट टेबल, ये बनाए थे हम लोग ने. यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट टेबल है एंड देन एक्सपांड इट, वी हैव अ आईडी विच इज योर इंटीजर, नेम, surname and marks, right? We can write a query on this table, right? जैसे example मैंने लिखा select star from the name of my table is your student, आ गया देखो, and then just select this query. तो as we can see here, right, यहाँ पे हमारे पास कॉलम नेम्स आ गए हैं, टेबल आ गया है, बट we don't have any records in this table. ये टेबल के अंदर हमारे पास कोई भी रिकॉर्ड नहीं है. तो in the next video, right, we will see how do we insert a record in this student table. I hope you understood this session. Thank you so much.